showing you how to perform some assisted PNF stretching on the lateral flexors of the neck. When performing the stretches on the lateral flexors of the neck, we are going to be targeting mostly the upper trapezius, the anterior, middle, and posterior scalenes, and the longus colli. For this one, we are going to perform with a cross-hand pattern. So what we want to do for this one over here, if you are stretching the left side, the left hand is going to be on their head, the right hand is going to be on the shoulder. So you're going to go in a cross pattern. And then, so this is going to be your stabilizing arm. With the opposite arm, you are going to take them into lateral flexion. Once they can't go anymore, I want you to bring your left ear, push it into my hand, and relax. And then you will take them deeper into the stretch. And then if we want to add an antagonist contraction, we would do the same thing. So push into my hand, and now bring your right ear to your right shoulder. Now, when performing this stretch, there are different positions that we can place the head. One would be just to take the head in a neutral position. We can also do it with the head tilted this way, so towards the opposite side, or towards the side that we are stretching. And then we can also perform it with the head facing the shoulder of the opposite side that we are stretching. So when we are performing it just side to side, we're going to be focusing on all the fibers that run along the midline. By turning the head towards the opposite shoulder, we're going to be targeting more of the posterior fibers. And by turning the head towards the same side, we're going to be targeting more the anterior fibers. And that is how you perform some assisted PNF stretching on the lateral flexors of the neck.